I'm Damion.
I'm Quanda, and today we are experiencing
A concierge class infinity balcony stateroom on deck 12, room 12116.
So very quickly, we're going to give you a room tour. Let's jump right into the actual room tour. As always, starting off would be the door, which is right here. And right to the left of the door is what looks like to be the bathroom. Yep, it is the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. It's pretty spacious. It's bigger than Royal's bathroom that we've been on. The shower is here. Always a glass door. And it's much larger than other showers as well. And it does come with amenities. Looks like body wash, shampoo, and conditioner are in those bottles. And we have storage spaces over here, as well as the sink. It's a long sink. I never understood why the sink is so long because the water is not going to get over here. But you have a sink here. Then you have more shelving storage over here. Some more storage down here. And your trash can. We're coming out of the bathroom. Oh, and then we have two hooks, as always, behind the door. Coming out of the bathroom, you have your temperature pad here, it looks like. Morning, movie, evening. Okay, so you have your temperature. It's in Celsius. We're going to have to learn Celsius. Lighting options are here. We'll play with that later. Closed blinds here. Also play with later. Morning, movie, evening, sleep. Looks like presets that you can use. Okay, so here, I watched a few room tours before we got on, but we haven't looked at our room yet. So I don't remember if this opens or not. Yes, it does open. So you have a storage area here. Oh, that's nice. You have pool towels, laundry bag, shoe bag, tote bag, as always, binoculars, an umbrella, 2 umbrellas. Very nice. There's 2 umbrellas in there. I think this side opens up. That would have been helpful if I just opened both at the same time. So there's everything there. You have a little storage area right here. Not storage. A little art decoration right there under light. And there's more storage. Okay, same place. Aruba, I would like to say that it's the Wi-Fi. It looks like the Wi-Fi, but I'm not a tech person, so don't quote me. On the left side, again, we have more closet space. Oh, there's robes in here. Ah, there's their hangers. 2 robes. Your safe is here, and then 3 drawers. And then your full-length mirror. Stop! I want to stay open. Okay. Your full-length mirror. Whatever. Next to the closet, you have your seating area. So I actually prefer the bed next to the window. I now realize that. Because I like to come in and not be next to the bed. Like, as soon as you come in, the bed's right there. Yeah, so you have the seating area first. And then over here is the desk area. So this lamp is really cute. You have some water. I'm not drinking that because y'all not gonna charge me. Yes, friend. Look, $9 for some Tito's. I'm gonna walk my butt right down to the windjammer. Some more drawers. It's a new collection, huh? Just start collecting these. Yeah, we have drawers in here. Okay, and here we have a fridge, cooler. Keep it cool, locked or unlocked. It's locked. You have to pay. Do not drink it. Okay. Okay, so somebody bought excursions before we got on board. And here's our excursion envelope already here, waiting.
Nice.
That's new. Never did that before. Never. We have some outlets here. Light switches for that. Okay, so another fun like mirror here. Now, watching a few vlogs, we know that this can slide in and out, and we'll definitely use that later on. The chair is there. And let's go on to the bedroom side.
So this is a king size bed right by the window. This bed looks comfortable. It's Exhale. I think that's the brand they use for it. And to the left of the bed, of course, you have your 2 nightstands with your phone on that side. And come along with me. So I'm in my bedroom and I'm on my balcony.
But before we get to the balcony, next to the bed.
Oh yeah, you have another light switch, USB ports, plug in your lamp, additional storage down there. And yeah, as I was saying, this is the balcony, or as they say on Celebrity, veranda. This is the veranda. This is the bedroom. This is the infinity balcony, veranda, stateroom. So you can close this door. If I figure out how. Okay, here we go. You can close this door and separate if you wish, if you want that. You see me?
Any locks? I can lock you out.
You check it.
Stay out. All who out, stay out.
Oh, here we go. So open it up. And you're there on your balcony. But the thing that makes this an awesome room is this right here. This big, this makes the room what it is. So just looking, you don't have a typical balcony where you can put your hand over and, you know, do them something there. But on here, they have some switches on this side. This is your light switch. Anyone else say light?
I know.
This is the light switch. But also you have some controls here. So I'm assuming this is the first time I press it.
Oh boy.
So press down. Oh, you have to hold on, funny.
Hold on,
Oh,
funny.
direction.
Hold on, funny.
Oh, they say the captain can close it. The captain can close it if you feel like.
If you feel like
When there's excess wind. Anyway, so hold on, funny. And this happened. So it go from a room now, regular room with a window, a little balcony area. Yeah, see? Nice little balcony area. This room is what? They say 5% obstructed because of this.
No, because of this.
Or that. One of them. Or both of them. Or that. All of these things. But anyway, along with that is you can press the other button and it now happen.
Maybe I close the window first.
Oh, probably. Alright, let me close this. Just I try it the first time.
Okay, I'm fast forwarding. Just be quiet. Two hours later.
And you're done. Here we go. So if you don't want the light coming in for you, but you want to keep this as it is without closing the door, you have your blinds. Blackout blinds. It can't open while the balcony is down. And there you have it, folks.
We now are in the interior.
We're now in an interior,
So
a
this
big
room,
interior.
This room gives you an interior,
Ocean view.
ocean view
And
window,
balcony.
and balcony. You get 3 bangs for your buck. Now I have seen some people say that they do not like this type of window situation. We'll do the balcony thing and see how it works out for us.
Yeah.
You know,
I don't care, I'm on a ship.
on the ship. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the opening room tour.
Oh, one more thing. Once the balcony open, the AC in the room turn off. Once you open
Even
that,
if you close this door?
I think so. I think so.
We'll find out.
Because this has a sensor to say that it's down.
Okay. We'll find out, let you know for sure. This for sure. This time for sure. That's the song. Okay. Alright guys, we're gonna go get our food. So